Hey Loperinos, it is Avi and Thomas from Science of Swords, and we're going to be doing Day 4 Dicemas. Oh no, he's here.
You son of a bitch, you took my job. I'll never forgive you for this. No, I'm kidding. All right, let's do Dicemas.
All right, what do we got? What do we got? You're going full dice goblin on this.
There's one thing about these advent calendars is they are surprisingly difficult to open and get dropped in.
What did it roll? What did it roll? Now we can't.
Roll a 6.
Hey!
Like present-themed ones too.
Yeah, that must be the Christmas-themed dice.
That's very jolly. I like that.
Okay, now test if it's candy.
No, I'm not testing if it's Oh, for God's sake.
Not candy.
All right, so that's Day 4 Dicemas. We'll be doing one of these every day up to Christmas with our Dice Advent Calendar. If you guys bought one, do it along with us. Show us what you got.
Absolutely. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays.